Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Vlogmas. So in today's video, yes, you saw from the title, I'm actually back in the makeup community for this video and I'm going to be throwing out some makeup. So I know that my vlogs, oh my gosh, vlogs just don't really work out for my channel very well. They don't get very many views, although I really enjoy doing them and that's why I continue to do them. But if you guys prefer makeup related videos, please let me know and I will kind of just stick to those from now on. But I do enjoy vlogging, so I don't know. I did clean out one of my Alex drawers about a month ago. I usually do giveaways when it comes to cleaning out my Alex drawers and I will continue to do giveaways in the future. But for this particular drawer, it was mostly like cream products, eye products, and eyeliners and stuff like that. So you guys will see later on in this video. I don't know, some of that stuff I just don't like. I just prefer just throwing out or something like that, or giving away to like my closer friends or family versus you guys, if that makes sense. Because it is a cream-based product and I've had it for a while, that's the reason why. So I'm gonna get into showing you guys what I'm throwing out. If you are not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. I'm uploading every single day until the 25th of December. I'll actually cut into the clip of me cleaning right now and then I'll show you guys what I'm throwing out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to clean up this drawer right here. So currently right now I don't have a place for my highlighter palettes or my bigger palettes like the Alien palette by Jeffree Star. I keep forgetting to use it because I just have it in this drawer here that used to just only have my cream shadows. So I want to make this drawer specifically just for like my face palettes and my larger palettes like Blue Blood and the Blood Sugar one as well. So I'm gonna attempt to clean this up right now. I don't know if I'll be giving any of these away. I might be, just because I know cream eyeshadows dry out pretty fast and some of these are brand new, some of these are just like swatched and everything, but I'm going to try to just find another place for these, maybe in my like single shadow drawer. So I have to destash that one as well, but let's just take a lot of these out. This is a little bit better. This is kind of what I was going for, except this drawer is pretty shallow. Like it doesn't have, like I can't stand these palettes up or anything, but I basically have my two Jeffree palettes and then under it I have Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Moonchild, Aurora, and the Nicole Guerrero one. And they're kind of just all stacked up there. I have my mini breaker right here, as well as my Fenty Beauty highlight palette here, and then my Kylie Wet Set, and then underneath that is my Jaclyn Hill and Becca palette. And then over here I have my Kat Von D Metal Crush palette, my Kylie and Jordan highlighter palette, and then back there is my NARS blush palette. And then on this side I just have Alien, Blue Blood, and then in the back I have Blood Sugar. So if he releases any more of these big palettes, I don't know where I'm going to keep it, but that's that so far. I also actually organized my palette drawer down here and I kind of just stood them all up like that, so it's really easy to see which one I'm looking for. And then I just have this one. This palette is huge and I don't know where people store it, but it's huge and I didn't know where to put it, so I just kind of put that on top here. Jawbreaker, and then under here are some Urban Decay ones, and then my ColourPop ones are over there. I have this one that I need to find a place for. but for now I'll just leave it on top there. Okay guys, so this is what I'm trying to figure out where to put these, destash them, whatnot. So this is what they all look like. So these ones I've had for so long now, and I've actually opened them. They're probably all dried by now. They're actually still swatchable. They haven't completely dried out, but I'm going to be getting rid of these. These are just the Physicians Formula liners. I don't know about the blue set. I don't know if I've even opened this one, or the green set here. Let's check it out. Okay, you guys, so basically I'm getting rid of this many products. It's a bag of Sephora things. There's a couple things in here that are empty products that I'm getting rid of, but I'm going to save that for another video. I'm really sad about this, but one of my Fenty Beauty highlighters, like the mini one that I used to carry around with me all the time, actually broke and shattered, and it's in a million pieces. So that's why that's in here. But getting on to what stuff I'm actually throwing out. So this is kind of sad because I can't wear a glitter eyeliner, first of all, right now because I do have lash extensions. But when I did purchase these, I didn't have lash extensions and I could wear them anytime I wanted to. I just don't really prefer glitter eyeliners, and the fact that I have so many of them that I'm getting rid of is really sad. But basically, I've had some of these since I worked at Superstore, which was a while ago. That was like 2011, I think it was, 2010, 2011, around there. So it was a while ago, and I've had them for that long. They're all super dry, like they're dried out. The glitter is just kind of there. It's just sticking to the outside walls of the packaging. It's really gross. Some of these are not even opened, you guys. So these are the Annabelle Glitterama liquid eyeliners. I don't even know if they still make these anymore, but these were my favorite thing to collect, as you guys can tell. Like, I really like them. I didn't use them very often because how often would you guys use glitter eyeliner? It's not something that I personally would use every single day. It's something that I would use maybe 3-4 times a year, if that. New Year's for sure. On like regular days, regular use, if I'm going to work and stuff like that, I prefer just plain black eyeliner versus a glitter one. But yeah, I really like collecting these. So like I said, I don't know if they still make these anymore, but the first one is kind of like an olivey green color. It's in the color Kryptonite. The next one is called Majorette, and it's a beautiful, like a lighter teal color. And then I have Celestial Sky, which is a blue. This one was probably my most used. And then I have this one in Pom Pom, and this one's actually still glittery, has liquid in it, which is really kind of disturbing because I've had it for so long, and all the rest are dry except for this one. But this one has like almost like a micro glitter. It's not like chunky glitter, maybe that's why. This one is called Pom Pom, and it's a purple. And then I also have Amazonia, which is a green. This one actually was not opened. This next one is called Plutonium, and it's a silver. And then I also have Atomic Red. This one is super pretty. I've used this one a few times during like the holidays back in the day. And then the last one is almost like a gray blue glitter, and this one doesn't have a name because it's completely come off. Those are all of the glitter eyeliners I'm throwing out. That's really sad. I have one more that I'm throwing out, and this one is by NYX, and it's the Candy Glitter Liners. Everybody and their mother was obsessed with these back on YouTube back in the day. Back in like 2011, 2010, around there. A lot of people were obsessed with these because, first of all, the packaging is kind of cool. It has this little tassel at the end, and they all looked really cool on your vanity. This particular one is called Passion. It's completely dried up, and I had to go on a hunt for these. I never lived around a Save On Foods, but Save On Foods always carried NYX products. So that's that. The next thing I have here is another eyeliner. It's by Annabelle. It's in the color Plumbed. It's actually called a smudge paint, and I got this in one of those like subscription boxes before. I think it was like maybe Glimbox or Luxbox. So it does come with a little eyeliner pen thing that I haven't even used, and that was like at the top. And then the eyeliner itself, I've actually used a lot. So this is like a purple gel eyeliner. This is like one of the smallest pots of eyeliner I've ever seen, but I wasn't even able to finish it. Like it looks like I used a lot of it, but I don't know why I didn't finish using it. Next item I have in here is this Joe Fresh eyeliner in the color Chocolate. And I did have a few months where I did use this one pretty often. So yes, I have used this one quite a lot, and that's that. I don't know why I didn't continue to use it. It's a really cool brown eyeliner. I prefer black eyeliner, maybe that's why, but this was nice. I remember it being like more of a softer look. Next thing I have in here, oh my gosh, I've had this since high school. This is the L'Oreal Hip Color Truth Cream Liner in 945 Teal. I remember back in the day when I used to work at Superstore and them carrying this and then it getting discontinued and everything like that. I don't know why L'Oreal discontinued this line. It was really just, it was nice. It had really nice vibrant colors. Their gel eyeliners I remember being my favorite. I know the colored ones like the teal and the purple and stuff like that I didn't love so much, but the black cream liner was amazing. And yeah, I'm pretty sure these got discontinued unless they brought them back, but these were awesome. The next thing I have in here are these Physicians Formula eyeliners, and these, again, some of these are not even used, so I'm going to see if my friend might want them or something like that. Some of them are used, the used ones and the dried out ones I'm obviously tossing out. So I have a brown one in here, not even used, but it's dried out. The middle color here is a black, and again, same thing, it's dried out. And I can tell because it starts separating from the edges, that's when you know it's dried out. And then the last one here is like an indigo, almost like purple color, and I've used this one a few times. So I used to buy these all the time, these little stackable gel liners, but I didn't use them as much as I anticipated I would, I guess. I always was really into MAC gel eyeliners. They just lasted the longest on me. This next one is another eyeliner, and it's by Kaylin, and I'm pretty sure this was from, what is that subscription box called? Ipsy. I'm pretty sure this was from Ipsy. So it's the same as the Annabelle one. The top part comes off and you get a brush. This was clearly something I used, and I don't even know what color this is. Oh, it's a purple. How is the brush used but the eyeliner isn't? That is so weird. Okay. Anyways, this is completely dried out, bubbled up, and I feel like items in plastic packaging, they dry out faster than items in glass packaging, so that's that. I never used it. And Ipsy was something I was subscribed for like a few months, I remember, but all the products I got I never really used very often. I know there's like a couple products that I really liked, and those are both like brow products, but a lot of stuff like this, like they would give us full-size gel liners all the time and like full-size like single eyeshadows and stuff. I would never use those. So I obviously stopped my subscription a while ago. This one is another gel eyeliner. It's in the color Raisin, and it's a purple, and yeah, so I use this one quite a lot. This one is by Joe Fresh. This next one is a MAC paint pot, and I know I've had this since high school. This was from the Fafi Net collection. When was that? 2009, I think. And this is in the color Girl Friendly. I think they made this a permanent item for MAC, but yeah, as you guys can see, it's all separated from the edges, and this is something that I can actually back to MAC, and it can go toward me getting a free lipstick. So the rest of the items in here are gel liners, again from Physicians Formula, and I have one here, and it's a nice royal blue color. Again, I used like a little bit of it, but not a lot of it. This one is a really cool like mid-tone purple, and I did use some of it, but not a lot of it. So yeah, you guys, that is all the items that I'm throwing out in today's video. When I get back into cleaning my Alex drawers and I get into the blush and highlighter drawer and stuff like that, items that are powder products, stuff that I haven't used, I'm definitely going to be giving away. But in today's video, I just had stuff that, you know, obviously cream products that were a little bit older and that I just wanted to get rid of. Also, there was a bunch of like single eyeshadows that I obviously did not get rid of from that drawer when I cleaned it out, but I'm going to be trying to fit those into my single eyeshadow drawer. I want to get rid of a lot of my single eyeshadows, a lot of pigments and stuff like that, and just make room for those, because those eyeshadows obviously are still good because they are powder, or they're like pigments, I guess. So that is pretty much it for today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I will see you guys soon. Bye everyone.